Alright, you've got your Beam wallet, sleek, private, and ready to go. But wait, what exactly can you stash in there? Are you limited to just Beam, or can you diversify your crypto portfolio within its secure confines? That's the question we're diving into today. Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency is a wild west, and keeping your assets safe is paramount. You've heard about Beam's focus on privacy, the Mimblewimble protocol, and the confidential transactions. All that sounds fantastic, but if you can't hold the coins you want, what's the point? Now, the core of the Beam wallet, as you might expect, is built around the Beam token itself. This is the native cryptocurrency of the Beam blockchain, designed for those confidential transactions we mentioned. It's the fuel that powers the ecosystem, and naturally, it's fully supported within the wallet. So, if you're invested in Beam and its privacy-centric vision, you're in the right place. However, the crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and users demand flexibility. The Beam wallet, in its standard form, is primarily designed for Beam. But here's where things get interesting. The Beam wallet, especially in its later iterations and with the introduction of features like atomic swaps, allows for interaction with other cryptocurrencies. Specifically, through atomic swaps, you can exchange Beam directly with Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum without relying on centralized exchanges. This means you can effectively hold and manage these assets, albeit indirectly, through the swapping functionality. You're not technically storing Bitcoin or Litecoin in the same way you store Beam, but you can seamlessly convert and interact with them. Imagine this, you have some Bitcoin and want to convert a portion of it to Beam for a private transaction. You can do that directly within your Beam wallet, without ever leaving its secure environment. This eliminates the need to expose your assets to third-party exchanges, reducing your risk. Now, it's crucial to understand the distinction. The Beam wallet's primary function is to secure Beam. The ability to interact with other cryptocurrencies via atomic swaps is a valuable addition, but it's not the same as a multi-currency wallet that directly supports a wide range of assets. Think of it as a specialized tool that has expanded its capabilities. It's not a Swiss Army knife of crypto wallets, but it's highly effective for its intended purpose, which is private transactions and secure Beam storage, with the added bonus of cross-chain functionality. So, to summarize, you can directly store Beam. And through atomic swaps, you can interact with and convert Beam to and from Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. The wallet's focus remains on privacy and Beam, but it provides a bridge to other major cryptocurrencies. This balance between specialization and flexibility is what makes the Beam wallet a compelling option for those who prioritize privacy and want to manage their assets securely. It's a testament to the ongoing development of the crypto ecosystem, where wallets are evolving to meet the diverse needs of users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.